Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make second account on Instagram. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So if you want to add an Instagram account or create a new one, then watch the video to the end and you will learn how to do it. So first of all, go to Instagram, to your profile and click on the three lines in the upper right corner. Next we need to scroll to the bottom and select add account. Click and see that Instagram offers us to log into an existing account if you have one and you remember its data, or create a new one. Choose what you need here. We can also select the account center from above, scroll down and see that you can also add an account. Then go back to your profile and click on your nickname from above and see that you can add an account in this section. That's how easy it is. Use any method. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.